fellow learners, welcome back to our YouTube channel where we dive into the fascinating world of personal growth and effective communication. And today we are delving into a topic that can transform how we handle our mistakes. Alternatives to say when we make a mistake. We all make mistakes. It's a part of being human. But what truly matters is how we respond and handle those mistakes. So let's begin. For a wrong typo in a document, we can say, apologies for the typo, here's the corrected version. For a misplaced item, we can say, I apologize for misplacing it. I will search again and let you know as soon as I find it. For a misquote in an interview, instead of I am sorry, just इतना बोलने से बेहतर है, we can say, I am sorry for the misquote. Here's the accurate statement I intended to convey. Now we have for a technical error. We can say apologies for the technical glitch. We are working to resolve it. You must have heard when there is a Wi-Fi connection. उसमें हम बहुत use करते हैं. For a missed call or a message. I apologize for not responding. Can you please provide the details again? Next we have for a wrong calculation. Here we can say, I am sorry for the miscalculation. Here are the revised figures. You would see that whenever there is a presentation in the office, अगर वहाँ पे कुछ ऐसे miscalculations हो जाए तो we can use it there. Next we have for an accidental deletion. We can say, I apologize for the accidental deletion. Is there anything I can do to restore it? For a misunderstanding in instructions. Whenever there is a miscommunication या आप उनकी instructions को properly नहीं सुन पाए, नहीं guide हो पाए, तो you can say, I am sorry for the confusion caused by my instructions. Let me clarify the correct steps. Next we have for a missed deadline. Apologies for the delay. I am working to complete it as soon as possible. ये basically हम formal में use करते हैं जब आप office to your seniors you are talking to, that time you can use it. For an error in an email. My apologies for the confusion caused by my mistake. Let me clarify whatever it is. For forgetting to attach a file. Whenever you forget to attach any kind of file, you can use this sentence. I apologize for the oversight. Here's the file you needed. For a factual error, we can simply say, I apologize for the incorrect information. The accurate details are these. For a scheduling conflict, we can simply say, I am sorry for the overlap in schedules. Let's find a new time that works for everyone. And now we have for miscommunication. Apologies for any misunderstanding. To clarify, what I meant was this. अब ये किसी के साथ भी हो सकता है, either in your office, in your friend circle, in your society, we are talking to someone, anyone can be concluded in this. For a billing mistake, I apologize for the billing error. We will rectify it promptly and provide a corrected invoice. Thank you for being a part of our vibrant community of learners. Remember, mistakes are not setbacks, but stepping stones towards a better version of ourselves. Until next time, keep striving for the progress, embracing your mistakes and evolving into the best version of yourself.